Let's look at the example when we want to find the node that intersects two linked lists. We will return the node in this example 8. We will return with the node with value 8 because we have the first list, we have the second list, and in this node, at first we have to make sure that we have nodes in our list. If first equals null pointer or second equals null pointer, return null pointer. I will not write this down. We have to figure out the length of each of the lists. We have to count our nodes. For this reason we need two variables, int len a equals 0 and len b equals 0. So we will count each node in the first list in the second list. We will count, we will traverse separately, while first is not equals null pointer. Len a plus plus, we will increment len a. We will start at 0 and we will move our first forward. So we will move our first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our first list contains 5 nodes. And while the second thing, while second is not equals null pointer, we will increment len b and we will move the second head forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see that in the second list we have 6 nodes. The next part. After we count our length, so we have len a equals 5, len b equals 6 at this point. We now have to reset our pointers because we traversed our list with the first and with the second till the end. And now we have to reset them. Which pointers to reset? Of course, we forgot to create these pointers, so we will traverse not head, we will traverse temp A and temp B. Because we always need to our head first and our head B. In our first part, of course, we will traverse not our head, we will traverse temp A and temp B. So we had to create it. We should have created these pointers before. So now in the third part we have to reset these two pointers. Temp A equals first, temp B equals second. This is the third part. The next part we have to move forward to the pointer which contains greater nodes than the previous list. Len A greater than len B. We will do the for loop. Int I equals 0. I is less than len A minus len B. I plus plus. I will explain that. And we will move our temp A to the next node. Because we need to start our next loop at the same position to move forward both pointers. But for our case, we will have to find if B, so we will not enter this loop because to this condition because our A is not greater than len B. So after we wrote this, we have to write the same thing for the len B. If len B greater than len A, which is in our case true, we will traverse I from 0. We have to change it here. Len B is less than len A. For example, I is 0. 0 less than 6 minus 5, which is 1. Move pointer to this node, temp B, in the increment. Now I is equals 1. 1 is less than 1. No, it's not true. It means we found the start. We want to start here. It means we just cut this first node. And we are moving to the next part, which is while loop. Now we have to move just these 2 pointers forward until both of them hits null pointer. Temp A is not equals null pointer. Temp B is not equals null pointer. If they are met, it means we will return this pointer when they are met. So we will move for both of them. Temp A equals temp A to the next, and temp B equals temp B to the next. So we'll move them one by one. One, bum, bum. Temp A and temp B also here. If temp A equals temp B, return temp A. Until then, move both pointers forward. This condition is not true. It means that there are no intersection point, and we'll return null pointer.